Welcome everyone to another episode of Things Around Us, the show where I take a random object around the house and try to take a cool photo of it. For today's episode, I went with a Shakespeare-themed bottle of gin, and I got the following picture. Now let's get into it. First, I had to prepare the table, so I got out my wooden table roll, because it looks better in the picture. To take this picture, I needed a bottle of gin, a light source, a glass of water, a plant, and a tripod to hold the light. I first got the light source and mounted it on the tripod. And then I set up the plant in a way that would allow me to frame the picture using the plant, just to make it a bit more interesting. And then I set up the bottle of gin. Afterwards, I put the glass of water diagonally. And then I tried to set up the light source. I was trying to set up the light in a way so that the line of light would be on the Shakespeare on the bottle. And you'll see in a second how the glass of water affects the reflections of the light. Glass of water. Just make sure you get a lot of photos from different angles, different zooms. Just play around with everything so you have where to choose from. First, I duplicated the background layer. And afterwards I added a vibrance layer, just so I make the brown on the table and the small details on the bottle pop out. Afterwards I played around with the brightness and the contrast. And in the end, I just added a photo filter, just to make the entire photo a bit warmer. And that's it. If you have any suggestions of what I might try next, just leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, a like would be greatly appreciated. And why not subscribe too?